Okay, so the next video is just going to have a look at the basics of waves before we go on to a large 6 marker, and I'll do a separate video for this. So it says, what is a transverse wave? I've taught you V, P, D, O, E, T, and transverse makes a right angle, so it's perpendicular. So the vibration, that's that bit done, is perpendicular because you can see a T makes a right angle. Oh my God, that's awful. Because the T makes a right angle to the direction of energy transfer. And then 2 examples, we've got water and light. As a good rule, if it asks you for longitudinal, it's sound. If it asks you for another example, it's likely to be transverse and light and water waves. Next one, red light has a wave of 660 nanometers. So we're going to have to divide that by 1 billion. And it wants to know the frequency. So foxes stab wolves, and we want frequency F. F equals S over W. So do our unit change first, 6.6 times 10 to the minus 7. F equals S divided by W, or this could also be written as frequency, velocity, and wavelength. They're the exact same thing. They're just different letters that are used. So what makes this tricky is it says it's light, and you have to know that the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8, 300 million meters per second. And we've got a unit change, so that's a really tricky question. Okay, next part, which regions of the electromagnetic spectrum are ionizing, and what are their effects on human health? So red, monkeys, insert, vultures, under, xylophones, great. Long to short, and we need to know, we partition after visible. Anything past visible is ionizing. So U, X, and G. And we've just got to turn that into sentences. So ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays are ionizing. And then we've got to explain what they do. So they can knock electrons out of atoms, mark. This creates positive ions, mark, which damage DNA, mark. And this leads to cancer, mark. Now, we can see there's lots of marks there. Those marks will keep occurring lots and lots of times through different past papers. Okay, that's always a good idea to write a full answer. And I'm going to stop there for a small short video on this because you've got a 6 marker next that's tricky.